Josh Radnor, born 1974, actor best known for playing Ted Mosby on How I Met Your Mother. Stephen Dorff, born 1973, actor known for roles in Blade and True Detective. Will Wheaton, born 1972, Star Trek: The Next Generation and Stand By Me actor. Alexandra Paul, born 1963, actress famously known for her role in Baywatch. Ken Burns, born 1953, acclaimed award-winning American documentary filmmaker. Fernando Alonso, born 1981, two-time Formula One world champion racing driver. Dak Prescott, born 1993, Pro Bowl quarterback for the Dallas Cowboys. Scott Gomez, born 1979, former NHL star and two-time Stanley Cup champion. Mahela Jayawardene, born 1977, legendary Sri Lankan cricketer and former national captain. Geddy Lee, born 1953, lead vocalist and bassist for the legendary rock band Rush. Martina McBride, born 1966, multi-platinum country music singer, songwriter. Patti Scialfa, born 1953, singer, songwriter and member of the E Street Band. Danger Mouse, born 1977, Grammy-winning producer and musician from Gnarls Barkley. Tim Gunn, born 1953, fashion consultant and beloved television host of Project Runway. Clara Bow, born 1905, iconic silent film actress and the original It Girl. Benito Mussolini, born 1883, Italian dictator who led the National Fascist Party. Lil Tay, born 2007, a highly viral Canadian-American internet personality and musician. Eva Gutowski, born 1994, a massive beauty, fashion and lifestyle influencer popularly known online as My Life as Eva. Thank you for watching this video.